You will lose a lot of wealth and a lot of money if you don't understand inflation. The central banks are not our friends. They're really screwing the little guys and the retail investors. In this video, I'll explain to you exactly what you can do to protect yourselves from what's going on with inflation. First of all, let's understand what's going on with inflation. Inflation, it's real. We understand it was created because of the policy problems, because of the energy issues, what we had with the lockdowns and so forth last couple of years. Obviously, this caused problems for the supply chain and prices of things went up. Central banks now they want to fight inflation. What they're doing is they're increasing their Fed funds rates and their policy rates. How does that help us for retail investors for inflation? It doesn't. All they do now, for example, in the US, the Fed funds rate is at 4%. Meaning that if the normal banks they give money to the Federal Reserve, the Federal Reserve is paying them 4% interest for these monies. What it means, if us, me, you, or normal companies or any corporation go to the bank for loans, why would the bank give us any loans if it's not going to be at least at 5, 6, 7, 8, 10%? The bank's making 4%, giving their loans to the Federal Reserve with its guaranteed security. That's why at the end, this won't save inflation. We're still going to have inflation problems. And what they're doing right now with this increasing of the interest rates, they're trying to use the techniques they used to have in the 70s and in the 40s to try to fight the issues that we have in this 21st century. It's not going to fix any of that. As investors, what we're learning right now is that our cash, our fiat, is losing its value. So what it means is not the price of things that are going up. The reality is that our real cash money is losing value. What we have to own, what we have to buy is real assets. It doesn't mean bonds or stocks or crypto or NFTs. Those could be assets for a small portion of your wealth. That's great. But the reality is you have to buy real assets, real goods, any physical goods that be increasing in value, whether it's real estate, whether it's gold, whether it's silver, whether it's even appliances, anything. Keep it new. Any hard asset that you buy and keep new and it stays new, it's be really increasing value because our dollars, our currencies are actually losing value. Hope this helps out. Any comments, any feedback, please down at the bottom. And if you like this kind of content, please don't hesitate to follow.